Hello, this is Mike again, and this is part 2 of how to consolidate Windows event logs to Microsoft SQL Server with Cornerbowl Server Manager. In the previous video, I showed you how to configure the software to use SQL Server. This video shows you the next step, which is to configure the software to download the remote event logs. Select File, New, Template, then Event Log Management, then Event Log Consolidation and Monitoring. Specify a friendly name and an execution frequency. The software defaults to an hourly style range. Fixed schedules run at specific times, whereas range schedules evenly distribute the execution frequency between servers over a frequency range. For example, if you're consolidating logs from 4 servers and choose an hourly range schedule, the first server's logs will be downloaded on the hour, the next 15 minutes after the hour, next 30 minutes after the hour, and finally the last 45 minutes after the hour. This format enables the software to distribute the load over time, enabling more servers to be monitored while minimizing the local machine's resource consumption. Next, we need to select the logs to consolidate. After we've selected the logs, we need to configure which entries are saved. You have 2 options. You can save all entries or apply a consolidation filter. For example, you could choose to exclude specific entries such as informational firewall messages. Next, we need to set the retention policy. By default, the pre-built log repository retention policy will be automatically selected. If we open up the policy, we can see it's set to remove entries older than 30 days. If you'd like to archive entries, go ahead and set that option. After entries are consolidated, you have the option to scan entries and trigger alerts. To do that, we need to select Add next to the Post-Consolidation Filters and Actions list. Select a filter, then an action, and click OK. Okay, just one last step, and that is to assign the template to the servers. From the right side, you can assign to an individual server or a group of servers. Okay, let's see this in action by manually triggering the download. Notice the entries flying by as they're being downloaded. From the Object Explorer, expand the log repository. Expand the primary log repository. Then navigate to the target server. Expand Event Logs. Right-click and select View Top Entries. Choose any display filters you might want. As you can see, entries have been downloaded.